What's going on YouTube? Geosno right here. So in today's video we're discussing about how you can fix the 3 app limit or 10 app limit depending on the developer account and of course your use cases, and that is when installing your Jailbreak applications and apps and stuff like that. This video is brought to you by FlexStore, a software that allows you to easily install your Jailbreak applications directly on your iOS device. You can sign your applications like Uncover and Dopamine Jailbreak and stuff like that directly on your device in Safari without a computer. You can grab your certificates, and of course it supports repos and stuff like that. They have a huge catalog including the latest jailbreaks but also legacy tools, but you can also get jailbreak tools, for example Misaka and many others. Definitely check them out in the link below. So there is actually a fix available, and that is using LiveContainer, and this one allows you to run the app without actually installing it, so you don't hit the limit. Now here's how it works. It says run iOS app without actually installing it. It allows you to essentially fix the 10 app limit for the free developer account, and of course the 3 app limit and stuff like that, because you don't actually get to sign the apps. You use JIT or just-in-time compilation in order to run the app without actually installing it. This one requires either AltStore or SiteStore in order to have JIT enabled. It does support running without JIT or without just-in-time compilation, but without it, guest apps will need to be code signed, which means you're going to hit the 3 app limit. Now, with JIT, that's actually how you would want to use it, and that is through SiteStore or of course AltStore. Do keep in mind you should not use this for piracy reasons. Use this for your open source jailbreaks, for your tools, but don't use this for any nefarious reasons. So I'm going to go here to releases, and here is the nightly link that would give you the latest version. Don't grab the version from here, this one is outdated, it's since August. Get the one from the nightly link or the actions tab. So I have my device over here and I have LiveContainer, as you can see. And once you have it installed properly with SiteStore or AltStore in order to be able to enable JIT, you're going to have this layout over here where you can tap the plus button and have your IPAs. Then the tweaks over here where you can tap the plus button and load dial-libs. And then you have your settings over here. In order to run an app without installing it, you press plus over here, select your jailbreak app or tool or whatever. You tap it and it will be added like this. You tap run over here, and as you can see, for some reason it opens this application, the magnifier or whatever. You close the magnifier, go back into LiveContainer, and now instead of LiveContainer, it's the actual app trying to run, the jailbreak, or in this case the rootifier and stuff like that. So that's how it works. You can see it's in LiveContainer, but it's not actually installed. So that's how it works. You go back in here, you close it, and you have your list of apps, and you can run it again, and that's how it works. It opens the system application probably to get some permissions, and then it does this. So you're able to use the app. That's how you fix the limitation of 3 apps or 10 apps for free developer accounts, and that's actually quite great because you can do it on your device directly, and this is a completely open source application. Definitely check it out in the link below. As I said, please definitely don't use this for nefarious reasons. This video is for educational purposes. Thank you for watching. I am Geosno. Peace out.